Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming permissions. Open your operating system's notification settings and make sure Discord is allowed to send alerts. Once done, switch off Do Not Disturb in Discord and within any muted server or channel. This prevents silent behavior. Next, update the app and restart it so new settings take effect. You do this now to eliminate simple causes quickly, because most notification failures come from blocked permissions, mute flags, or outdated clients that refuse to show banners. Once the basics are clear, dig into Discord's notification controls. Open user settings, pick notifications, and confirm desktop notifications and message preview are enabled. Then visit each server's notification settings and choose all messages or only mentions as needed. Make sure your OS Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb rules aren't suppressing banners. On mobile, disable battery optimization for Discord so background delivery works reliably. This layered check fixes most cases where to finish, clear Discord's cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupt files that block notifications. You should also test notifications using a different account or device to determine whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific. If alerts still fail, inspect your firewall, VPN, or privacy tools that may block Discord's push traffic. One key tip: if nothing works, temporarily disable the VPN and retry. Many VPNs interfere with push notification delivery, and that simple step resolves tricky cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.